चलाओ जी।
और भाई का पहले कल्याण करिएगा और हमारा बाद में अमेरिका से
बिस्कुट ले लिया।
Welcome. We are in Varanasi, one of the oldest cities in the world. I think 3,000 years people have been living here, more. Home to Shiva, birth, god of destruction and death. In Hinduism, they actually believe that when you die, you should be burned here because it stops you from being reincarnated over and over and over again. So this is a very important place in Hinduism. Because even through hundreds of empires and conquerors and everything, Varanasi has always been inhabited and lived in for 3,000 plus years, I believe. The Hindu gods. My goodness, look at the goat up there, just chilling. Goats chilling, cows chilling here, hanging out. Pretty relaxing place, honestly. All the handcrafted paintings. Big temple, I believe. This is a cool picture of Shiva, the main god of Hinduism. Most foreigners don't realize, he's blue because in Hinduism, they believe that there was this toxic poison that emerged that would destroy humanity, I believe. And Shiva drank it and turns himself blue. So he sacrificed himself to take the poison that would save humanity, pretty much. And nowadays, I think the blue just represents, the foreverness of the universe and such. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. Many Indians bathe here in the river because it's first, Shiva's city, and is also the city between life and death. So to wash away your sins and bad karma, people bathe here to cleanse themselves. So it's a huge spirituality aspect and activity.
Do you know the burning?
No. What is this?
This is called the human ceremony. Like in Hindu religion, when people dead, so they come to the Ganga Ghat and they making cremations the body.
Okay.
So here is the people coming to burning and learning. Burning people who come with a dead body, they burn the bodies near the bank of Ganga, and interested people coming and learning.
Oh, so they burn the bodies too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Varanasi, we have 3 ghats for the burning. This is the first burning ghat, and second one 3 kilometer, and third one is 6 kilometer. Like we have a 3 bank of ghats, 3 ghats. This is like normally Harishchandra ghat.
Yeah.
That's my first burning ghat, oldest one. There is 2 burning ghat more. After here, there is only Hindu religion. Here is Buddhist, Christians and Hindu. 3 religions can burn.
Okay.
And here is a 3 different style for cremations. First style, people buy firing wood. Second style, people go direct. And third style, people burn in machine. Before we have an electronic house over here. There is a people build old machine, the breaking and making new constructions.
Oh, okay.
Like 40 minutes takes time to burn body because in the holy machine. So after 40 minutes, he will get the ashes for the clay pot and taking boat, go in the middle and drop.
So the bodies burn here all day long?
Yeah,
or just-
24-hour non-stop. Maximum one day 200, 300, 400 bodies come to burn in this burning yard.
Really?
Other ones also 200, 300 bodies come to burning yard. But here the citizen people burn. Over another burning yards, only the village is burning. That's why here is a lot of the people come to believe in Harishchandra,
Okay.
like spiritual place.
Yeah, special place. Because this is the place of Vishnu.
Yes,
Or-
Vishnu.
yeah, yeah.
Vishnu feeds here in Chanpalka. So this is the high class people on the Vishnu food place, medium class people on the steps, and poor people in the barren rocks. Three different kinds ceremony.
Oh, so different kinds.
Three religion, three kind. Like expensive fire on the top,
Uh-huh.
medium fire on the step near the water, and very poor people on the barren rocks. Three rocks. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. So are they all like the same size, or is this the biggest one?
The biggest one over there you can see from behind.
Okay, behind.
Like that, here is a place where you can watch from the temple.
Okay.
The biggest fire. You can see this.
Yeah.
When the Hindu people die, at first people wash the whole body. After the man get it like them, clean head, clean shave, take white scarf, white lungi,
Yeah.
and collect the holy fire from the Shiva temple and making the 5 rounds. Do you know why? Because our Hindu family attached with 5 elements: the water, air, fire, sky, speed. So 5 times they're turning with the fire and put the fire under the wood bed, burning start. Over here the biggest fire. Biggest fire. When the people die, at first washing the whole body in Ganga. When the body washing here,
Yeah.
at first, after they put it the whole body under the wood bed, one person need to take 350 kilogram the wood, about 400 kilograms.
Oh.
So when they take it the 300 350.400 point, something like near about the wood for the burning. When the burn start, after take time 3 hour, the man for the chest, the women for the hips, these two part small ashes. They got to throw in the river. After 3 hours, stop the cremation with Ganga water. Then all family, relations, and who is main member, like he like a priest, like white scarf, white lungi, putting hair left, like I saw you before. So that kind of man, he's go to take all family, relations, friends circle, taking different place because here is no place for the shower. So here they go to another side and burn the body after shower then back to the market, buy the sweets, like sweet boxes, take it and celebrate with all family. 13 days take time to go the family in heaven, like
13 days.
10 plus 3. According to Hindu mythology, 13 days take time to soul of dead body go in Nirvana. Nirvana is the place of heaven.
Yeah.
So here is a moksha. People love to believe in last time death here and traveling time death here. So they get it, the moksha. I am a Brahman, I am a priest, I take care of the holy fire place. This is a holy fire where people get it, the eternal fire. And the man who is with clean head, clean shape, the person who is called the untouched family who is going to give the fire of dead body. So people get easy to heaven.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Okay.
because here is people when they are coming, they're learning and they help the poor people. So I am an honor of this burning gap. So I collect and I help the poor people for the wood because one person cannot afford all stuff like 300 to 400 kilogram wood and incense, sandal powder, butter. One person cannot. So I collect the association group, collection little and help the poor body who have no capacity to burn by natural cash are burned by price, so I give them cash for the fire, for the wood, for
Yeah,
the
it's a
all
lot.
material taxes. So I manage together with this gentleman sitting with orange scarf.
Yes.
So that man, he is the working. His father to father to father, many generation work for the cremate the Hindu family.
Oh, so it's, yeah.
I know his father, he know my father, he sit, we are the friends.
Oh, really?
So we are going to help each other. So you are lucky to visit here and I am born here.
No, I've always wanted to visit this place.
Very
Yeah.
nice. What's your name?
James.
James.
Yes.
I have a good friends from like you.
Good
I'm meeting that company and he is going to help. This company. Over here, the last piece of the bones. I'm going to finishing.
Yeah. Okay.
After that finishing, they take it the small bamboos, take ash, go in Ganga.
Okay, so they burn the bones, then they throw the ash in the.
Ganga and stop the cremation. The black wood left. That wood is go to the ashram. That would go to the temple. That would go to the others.
Okay.
The holy purpose. People get it the devotee, get it the bless.
Yeah.
So people coming and learning.
Huh.
Go high level of the building. So people burn on this small tree. You see the holy tree
Yes.
over up here.
Oh, really?
Tree inside the behind the small street they have
Uh-huh.
for the burning.
Oh, for the burning.
Yeah. And full. This is the building new electronic cremations house they make.
Oh.
Old
this-
one breaking
Yeah.
and new one making. Does
Oh.
it take time? 25 minutes to 40 minutes one person. Does it take time by natural therapy? 3 hour to 3.5 hour. Depends of thin body, fat body. Depends.
Do most people like it the old
natural.
way?
This is
or
the natural one.
natural one?
And this is for the time problem. Somebody say come from far away, so they get it for the easy to fast burn. This is
Okay.
takes time 3 hour, 3.5 hour, 4 hour. So after the 3
Wow.
hour, they do living shower. 1 hour maximum, half hour take time to shower. After
Yeah.
they go back to the market, one by one bring the sweets, give them, they eat. 3 hours, the man who is give the fire, they have no sitting. They have to all the time walk and walk. It means if he sit, so he fire place control. And if he's no sit, running 3 hours, so he get it the good energy and good quick ceremony complete. That's the way of reason of way to people after fire. All family relations they can sit, but who is the main person to give the fire of the body to burn? So the person have to 3 hour way of walking, talking, surrounding, but no sitting.
No sitting.
Yeah, this is the Indian culture. I am a Brahmin, so I know very well my culture. So I explain you. You
No.
are lucky to visit here, and I am born here. I am a Brahmin. My language is Sanskrit.
Oh, Sanskrit.
Yes.
Oh.
So here is people when they come in, they are helping for the donations.
Yeah.
Like you, what about your capacity? You can donate. I can give you some glasses of holy fire.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. So what you like, you can do it. You can make full of energy, full of
Huh?
things. No problem. No one.
Is it always busy all year?
All
year.
the time.
All the
Summer time with hot people die. Winter time with cold die.
Cold die.
Raining time by
Yeah.
rain die. When is water high, somebody like don't know swimming, don't know boating, they go die.
Oh,
So
really?
like this is the case is happening every time. Continuous, non-stop in the year
Non-stop.
and year, the year. I am 45 years. I see regular here is burning, non-stop.
Non-stop.
Mm.
Yeah. And so you're like a priest?
I am priest. I am working in this company
Uh-huh.
of burning art. So I help the poor people, me and my friends.
How many priests are there here?
There is like many people like to come and study and
Yeah.
teach. So
Study
I
and
am a
teach.
graduate. I am 20 years ago. I am become graduate.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now I am 45.
Oh, okay.
So 20 years the priest become graduate, and after then they go to the job, they go to the government job, they go to the temples, private job. So I am like this. I living for the social activity. Social, like people collect and help the poor. Collect, help the poor. That's my vision to visit here. Here is my son. Guest.
Hi. How are you?
So what do you like? You can help. I can give you the holy bless from there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. But now people bargaining.
People are
So they take like 1-2 joints, like 1-2 gram, like that they taking, because they don't want to carry, they don't want to take risk, you know.
Yeah.
They like it to take 1 day, 2 day Varanasi. So okay, you give me 5 gram. 2 days I go Agra, so Agra I buy different quality. Nobody like to travel with that.
Yeah.
Everybody like to enjoy in place to place, place to place. They know India is everywhere is kind of the system to sell.
Really?
Everywhere, every state. But some places good rates, some places the like quality duplicate and rates too high.
Rates too high.
Like a touristic place, Agra, Jaipur,
Oh, yeah.
Delhi, Bombay, Goa,
Yeah.
Karnataka, Kerala, they are so tough rate. Only this my state in the Kashi, in number 1 in the world level.
Oh, really?
So I give the quality, na? I give the memory. That's why lots of audience, Indian tourists and foreigner tourists, stay here and making roll, Bangkok, Ganga, enjoy.
No, I had no idea. Yeah.
So that's why I am request to you, ki if you like, you can enjoy my company here. And we are sitting at the holy fire, making, consuming, and people love to come and again. It's not for carry, it's just for know the taste, the quality.
Quality.
Just for taste. No, I don't want to say you can get for plane, yeah, catch for train. No, just enjoy and then after think about. When you find somebody else, you can easily to recommend my address. I every day here, 6 hour, 8 hour, 10 hour, depends of season.
Depends on the season.
Like raining season, too much rain, so nobody come and full flood energy to the other people. Just a minute, I can order without seeing good water.
ये बिस्कुट ले लिया रवि जी
गले में तेल लगा देंगे
बिस्कुट ले लिया बगल में तू खड़ा तो हमें कहाँ बोला
This is my favorite.
Your favorite?
Without sugar.
Yeah.
15 years, 18 years, 20 years age, I take a lot of chai. But now,
a lot of
no,
chai.
Not chai. Every hour one chai. 2 hours. People come around, I order, shopkeepers come to my temple and give one by one.
Yeah.
But now, not so much chai. Just morning, evening.
This morning, evening, yeah.
2 chais in the day. That's it. Sometimes 1. Only in the morning, not evening.
Because
Little bit drink something pure.
Indians drink mostly chai, right? Not coffee.
Coffee also is good, but it depends on the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Like good making own in home, our hand fresh, good. In the street, very little and very costly.
Very coffee.
People same thing making in the milk in home and little coffee, product natural coffee.
Yeah.
But here in the restaurant, very high. Here is the owner of like shaving man.
Up here?
Up here, there are 3 places.
Three places they
Sometimes
shave
people
the head.
taking, sometimes people at the ghat with cold feeling, so come to the sunlight, be cleaning in the ghat side, like become him, give fire. Clean
Okay.
head, clean shape, take white scarf, white lungi, shower, then go to the collect the holy fire right there, right there and bring the bodies to burn. I don't like it too much,
Yeah.
modern lady to take me away quick. That's why I like simple living and high thinking.
Yeah, living in high thinking. Yeah. Do people speak Hindi in this part?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Varanasi, most people they speak Hindi, but now young generation doing copy the Western.
Western.
Like West people they're too fast, modern English.
Yeah.
They don't know writing, but they like to speak too much.
Just wait.
Try to copy Western movies, song, and Western style.
Yeah.
Quickly copy. But we are go to the school study. My grandfather is a lecturer of Varanasi India University. So our style is so different. बाबा माशाअल्लाह बेटा को महाराज घाट पाट के राजा हाथ को रखना ताजा और भाई का पहले कल्याण करिएगा और हमारा बाद में अमेरिका से आए हैं बाबा इनका सर्वप्रथम कल्याण करिएगा हमारे गेस्ट हैं गेस्ट मीन्स गॉड फर्स्ट यू हैव टू आफ्टर यू हैव टू ऑल यूनिवर्स फर्स्ट गिविंग टू द गॉड एंड प्रेइंग अबाउट योर नेम God, He made something for you. You protect Him all life.
Right.
This is my prayer. Technology. Remember this Indian kite? ये क्या करता है? ठीक है, अपन पिए था अपने तरीके से। इधर वीडियो बनाओ तो देखा। ज़्यादा कोई बात नहीं। हाँ यार। बढ़िया वरना बढ़िया दिखावा मत सकते। Take your home. Free. No money.
A goat wearing a shirt. Look at that. Cool guy. He said he's like a priest or something, but he owns different shops and stuff. That was a cool guy I met. Talked all about Hinduism, Varanasi, showed me around. Had a fun time by the Ganges over here. Cool. Interesting guy for sure. The man asked for a donation to help people afford to cremate their families members, and I don't know how much it really. I don't know if it actually goes to it, but I donated some money because he was pretty cool and a really friendly person that doesn't really try scamming me actually.